Today we're talking about the 2024 RZR XP 1000 and our new lift kit for it. Before we go any farther, if you want, you just click the link in the bio. It'll take you right to that product page on our website, answer all your questions. You can read all about it, see the product pictures, everything, all the good stuff like that. Break it down into 6 easy steps for you. First thing you do, you're going to remove your tires. Second thing you do, you're going to remove your shock bolts. You're going to reduce the preload tension on your springs on some of them where you need to compress them. You're going to install the lift kit mounting blocks with all the hardware. As you can see, everything comes with it here. You'll reinstall your shocks, your shock bolts, reset your preload unless you want to go with more preload or less preload. That's all a desirable option by the owner. You'll reinstall your tires, and then most importantly, step 6, you go ride it, have fun, enjoy it. Whether you're putting big tires on or you just want that added lift to make it look bigger, meaner, bolder, you'll have it. So those are your 6 easy steps to this kit. From there, we'll get a little more detailed on the product itself. Blocks are CNC machined out of 6061 billet aluminum. Super nice, high quality parts, labeled on which direction they need to be installed, where they pinch into the A-arm so it can't rotate. We retain the stock shock angle on these machines, so it doesn't change the ride quality. It just lifts the machine up, so it's not going to be any stiffer where other companies that stand the shocks up, that makes the ride more rigid. Some of them do some other things, but we retain the stock shock angle, so it doesn't change the ride quality at all. And yeah, just a great product. I'm sure you guys will love and enjoy. These things have been a huge hit for us on other models. Retail price is $339.95. Again, if you want, click the link in the bio. It'll take you right to the product on the website. If you guys have any questions, let us know.